Paper has an incredible ability to capture the imagination. First, it captures the light source, and its features can change so quickly by bringing the paper to life, by breathing.
I really liked the warm-ups that had to do with crossing over the hemispheres of the brain, because that's so important to the kids, so I really liked learning some new ones like that.
They have a creativity and a wish to learn that year after year they lose. So we are doing something wrong. They need to have fun.
And I really loved the making the puppet in the group and how the different personalities of the people in the group had to become either secondary or form the part of the new personality of the puppet. And I found that just fascinating, that 4 different people doing this puppet together created this new personality without saying anything to each other as they did it. Just marvelous, just loved it.
We've just had magic. We've just been in magic for 90 minutes. I can only repeat what my friends have said: far too short, great team building, amazing how people communicated building that. The 3 puppet, or 4 in some cases, we didn't talk to each other, we just did it. And we're also in here most of the time, so we were working from here. I feel really, really, really strongly that there's so many kids who are not necessarily academic, and this is like, it's what saved me way back when, so yeah.
The simplicity, the creativity, and the use of the imagination was very inspiring.
History in the making. So the story goes.